If you love taking road trips in your Tesla like me, you're going to want to check out this portable refrigerator slash freezer. Notice it comes with a standard 120 volt plug and a 12 volt car adapter plug. The 12 volt plug was more than long enough to run from the center console all the way to the sub trunk in the rear. I just folded down my rear seat, allowing the cord to pass through the back. I was very surprised with the quality and ease of use. The lid is magnetic and shuts properly every time. There are two different energy consumption modes. One is max mode for rapid cooling and eco mode, which consumes no more power than a car GPS. The temperature can be adjusted from -7 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Ice cream lovers can rejoice with the ability to travel with frozen food. When I first plugged it in, I noticed how fast the temperature dropped in a matter of 10 minutes. By 15 minutes, we were down to 35 degrees. I also want to point out that the fridge will still operate even when the car is asleep. I thought the Tesla would have disabled the 12 volt power supply, but apparently not. This portable refrigerator has a 3-level built-in battery protection feature when running is minimal. I could barely hear it operating with its rating of 45 decibels. You can now take all your favorite snacks and drinks with you on the go while keeping everything properly chilled. Check it out in the link below. I was pleasantly surprised with this product.
Let's take a look at this 12 volt portable refrigerator slash freezer from AstroAI. They have various different sizes, and this is the 45-liter version. It came really well packaged with everything you need to get started, and it was light enough to lift out of the box on my own. This feels like a very solid and well-made product. Inside, I found a box with the user manual and the power adapters. It comes with an AC to DC converter, and you can use it with the 110 volt plug as well as your 12 volt car battery outlet. And of course, it comes with the user manual. The manual is very detailed, has all the information you need, including product dimensions and an introduction on how to use the display and what the buttons do. Let's go ahead and plug it in and give this a try. Here I'm going to go ahead and plug in the DC converter. At the other end, I'm going to plug in the 110 volt outlet wire. It's a very basic and easy to use setup. To turn it on, simply press the power button. It tells you the current temperature inside, and underneath it tells you the volts. Let's see how low you can set the temperature. The lowest it goes is -4 degrees. Now let's try to see how high it goes. The highest you can set it to is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressing the setting button will toggle it between max and eco mode. In the manual, it also describes how to change other settings. Let's go ahead and load this up. I really like how easy it is to just remove the basket from inside. And now you have the freedom to load it up however you want. Here I have a few lemonades, beers, and sodas for my demonstration. It can easily fit all of this with room to spare. And then all you have to do is lift the basket up and put it inside. It also has another small compartment where you could put even more things. As an extra bonus feature, it even has an LED light inside, next to this small compartment. The way I like to use this is to plug it in at home whenever I'm about to go on a trip. Let it get nice and cold, and then put it in the car, and while you're driving, it'll keep your things cool. I really like this product and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.
is the Euhomy portable car fridge, the 12 volt. I want to show you how much can fit in here. The one that we purchased is the 35 liter. You just open it up pretty easily, and there is a lot that you can fit in here. As you can see, I have a container, some apples, and this compartment up here is probably about 3 to 4 inches deep. So you can organize some fruits if you need. I have some celery. This one goes pretty deep, and it also has the container. I was just using this as a freezer because I needed to freeze some ice packs, but you can change the temperature, of course, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But as you can see, it goes pretty deep. Some veggies, got some broccoli, some spinach, and we got some salad dressing, some baby carrots. And then over here, there's also an app you can use to change the temperature, but it just goes up and down like that. And then you can turn it off. I currently have it just plugged into a wall, and then the attachment just plugs in over here. And side note, we did purchase a Jackery to charge it up or keep the power, I should say, and it has worked out very well. And it's fairly easy to carry. There's a handle on that side and on that side. But also, we got this and it fits in the back seat of our Honda Fit. And my husband drives, he's about 6'2". I'll definitely show a clip up on the screen of what it looks like. It has been very handy for our road trip, having this in our fridge so we don't stop at fast food restaurants and we save time along the way. Highly recommend this portable fridge.